Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. We are going to do a day in the life. I have a few little fun things planned. I also have a lot to do that I want to get accomplished, so I figured let's bring you along. There's Mindy Mom up there. As I get ready for the day, I like to check in with my fellow mama YouTubers, and she's one of them. If you haven't already, check her out. Let's see if the snap trick works on getting ready. Ready? Oh, I requested full glam and full hair. I guess this will do. I'm just kidding. This is what you normally get. I normally like to shower in the evening so I can wake up and do something fun with my hair. And by fun, I mean put it in a messy bun. That didn't happen last night, so it is what it is. I'm just gonna let my hair air dry. There's no sense in overheating. We don't have anywhere special to go. I want to give you a peek in on the garage because it's almost done. We came upon years and years and years of stuff, and we're almost to the point where there's nothing in the garage. And it ended up being just a lot of tedious stuff, tons of miscellaneous tools, and having to go through and individually organize that, nails, screws, sorting through all that. So it's gonna be really, really good motivation if you are in need of a garage declutter. I'm also gonna introduce you to our puppies. They're not really puppies. They're about 2 years old. I've had a couple of requests that y'all would like to be introduced to them, so we will do that. Right now, the kids have eaten breakfast. Normally when I'm getting ready to go for the day, I task them to make their own breakfast. Sometimes I'm a nice mom and I make them breakfast, or I have freezer breakfasts ready to go for them that they just have to microwave or toast up. Now they're getting dressed and ready, and we have got to get started on our school day. Let's go. Did you have more chocolate?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I'll be out there in just a little bit, okay? I'll be right out. Go get shoes on. He could just play outside all day.
Your mom's name. She get aw.
Whoa.
Go. All this is out there.
I have no idea. We have these huge windows, so I can just open the blinds and let him play outside and keep an eye on him. That's generally on a nice day what he does while we knock out school. Next year, I've got to figure out how to homeschool 3 kids at the same time. I know a lot of moms that do a lot more than 3 kids, so I know it can be done. Gidget! I'm gonna put this little boy on the swing, and you're gonna see some real multitasking here. Oh, let me go ahead and introduce you. Here's Matt. He is he's a black lab and blue heeler mix, and he never stops. He's a hero. Over there, we got Gidget. Gidget!
And Mama, I'm a hero too.
Gidget, come here. Well, Minnie comes. Minnie and Gidget, they're sisters. We rescued them together, and we believe they are Chihuahua pug mixes. We don't know for sure. I'd like to do one of those dog DNA things, but have you seen how much those cost? They are not cheap. I'm too frugal. But y'all let me know in the comment section what you think they are. And the way you tell them apart is Minnie's ears actually flop down. She's also a little chunkier. Gidget's ears stay pointed up most of the time, and she's a little more petite. I told you were gonna see my multitasking game, and I'm so thankful for this little ball slinger because I don't have to get my hands all slobbery, and I don't have to bend down either.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends.
Oh, it's so windy. I'm getting my hair blow dried by Mother Nature. Let's go see where the girls are at so we can get started on schoolwork, because I think they're taking advantage of me filming today. It was such a gorgeous day. We ended up doing all of our schoolwork out here. It's always nice you get to cuddle with the puppy dogs while you read. So I didn't end up filming much of our school day. I do have a few homeschool related videos up on my channel. If you'd like to see more, just let me know. Right now, the declutter videos are what's taking off on my channel, and that's telling me y'all want those to keep coming. I have some fun ideas that I want to do for you guys in the way of productivity, decluttering, clean with me's, room makeovers, and so on. So that's going to be the main focus of this channel.
I'll be in fools drifting to deep space, so brave and so stupid.
One of the projects I have planned for today is just to tidy up this back porch. This is my happy place. I will sit out here in these zero gravity swing chairs. We'll do schoolwork. I'll watch the kids play. Oh, it's so nice. I like to wait till after pollen season because I can't tolerate being outside for very long during pollen season, and so finally at the end of that, so now I can clean this up, set it up the way I like it. Shannon neither cleaned or set up the porch the way she liked it. She took a nap instead. So one of our light bulbs went out, and Steven went and bought a recessed light bulb. It's obviously not the same color. This is considered the daylight. I don't know if I want to switch them all to that. I feel like it's nice. It makes it brighter. Do y'all use the warm light, or do you go for the daylight in your kitchen? Let me know in the comment. The lighting in the rest of the house, like the ceiling fan, that's like a warm light. The dining room, that's like a warm light. So I don't know if it would look weird or not having warm lights there. Sorry, Eric's being noisy. And the daylight here, see, warm light. And I feel like it just makes everything look brown, which it is. Everything is brown, but then this, I feel like just gives a better quality light. I don't know. I feel like I can see everything in its true color. We have 2 more of the daylight ones, and I think I'm gonna have Steven, when he gets home from work, put these 2 in and see if I like the lighting better or not. Okay, they have some assignments that they are working on independently, and it is about lunchtime. So Eric and I are going to work on making lunch.
So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. How it's gonna stay in the fight with you. Just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
Look at the size of that one. Look at my hand. The size of that strawberry.
Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be
Great.
Y'all, look at how dirty that water is.
Cause I'm thinking we'll be. Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings, unable to bend. I never listened, trying to prove it, just like the movies.
I forgot that space is kind of limited in the fridge right now, so we combined all the fruit into one.
Trying to prove it, just like the movies. How it's gonna stay in the fight with you. Just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken.
And there's lunch. And then I'll let them snack on the fruit for dessert. I stress the importance of working together as a team, and I figured I would share this tip with you. I actually learned it on TikTok. We had been talking with the girls about earning an allowance. The biggest struggle when you're homeschooling and you're trying to work from home and you're trying to keep a clean house and all the things is keeping everybody on task, keeping everybody focused on what they need to be working on. Because in order for this all to work and us to get everything done in a day, we're on a team. We gotta work together. That's where these come in. So every week they start off with 10 popsicle sticks. They've each decorated them. I have their names on the back. When I catch them off task, if they are particularly sassy, they have to bring me a stick. So they start with 10. They're worth 50 cents each. So every Sunday we reset. However many popsicle sticks they get, that's their allowance for that week. This helps them stay on task. It helps them self-correct their behavior. I really like it so far. I don't know if they like it, but it's been very helpful to help this ship move smoothly without me having to stay on top of them constantly. I figured I would share that. You know, as parents, we're always looking for ways to help automate the system. Okay, I'm gonna let the kids play outside for a minute. I'm gonna show you the garage and what it looks like. You get a sneak peek. It looks like a lot of stuff still, and it is. It's still a lot of stuff. But if you saw the last declutter video, I think it was episode 11, I showed you what it looked like. This is a vast improvement. So this is where we're at. Okay, so the kids are back in, swapping subjects, swapping mom's attention, and I'm gonna try and get this kitchen clean too in the pockets where they don't need me. I'm sorry, my camera died. So we ended up getting the dishes going, got schoolwork done. I'm pooped. I'm having a little snack now. Y'all had these? I don't think I found a combination that I didn't like. This one is the salted caramel crunch. It's got pretzels and caramel and chocolate chips in it. I'm gonna take a little break and enjoy my snack. Well, I rested a lot longer than I expected. Oop. I was tired. But guess who's home? Hey, Steven. He brought food. On Mondays, our Albertsons has 8-piece chicken for $5.99 and 8 pieces feeds us all, and either we buy sides there, or in this case, Steven's making our sides, and then he picked up like a salad kit. So that's an easy weeknight meal, which is nice because, you know, Mondays you're just getting back into the work week. And he also changed out the lights for me, and I do think I like it better than the yellow lights. Look how much brighter it is in here. So I think we're gonna change them all out. We didn't get to the porch like we wanted, but we decided that all of our extra energy this week is gonna go to finishing that garage so that we can have it done no matter what this week. We're like in the final stretch. We're just gonna power through this week and this weekend and all our free time and get it done for you guys. So, and I'm actually gonna do a separate video for the backyard. We're gonna clean it up. That's probably gonna take a weekend, but we'll do a separate video and transform that space and get it set up. It's gonna be awesome. Stay tuned for that. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like, comment. I always like to check in on the comments after the video post. I usually spend that day checking in and answering your questions and just saying hello. I love hearing from you guys. So I will see you down there. Bye.